Hello, my name is Andrew Marr. I'm the Senior Sales Rep with Hikvision for the Los Angeles territory here at KOA North Hollywood. And I want to tell you a little bit about some of the products I'm showing off today. Here we have one of our Heat Pro thermal turrets. This camera has one thermal lens. It has one 4-megapixel optical lens. It also has a speaker and strobe light. It does human and vehicle detection to filter out false alarms and can respond with a siren and a flashing strobe light to scare off and deter people or intruders. The thermal will let you see people do line crossing or intrusion detection, or even like animals, like coyotes, coming onto a property in any weather condition. Whether it's nighttime or there's a lot of fog, you'll be able to see that line crossing and be notified through your phone app or through your software. You can see over here on display we have our thermal camera and our optical camera. The thermal image is also supplemented by the optical image. It actually superimposes them on top of each other, so you get a detailed thermal image where you don't just see the thermal signatures, you also get to see the details of the image, providing context for what's going on. Today I'm also showing off some of our PCI cameras. The PCI cameras have a feature called Acusense 2.0. This is our second generation of Acusense, and it provides a way to filter out false alarms even greater than the previous generation. And it does so through, it does line crossing. If there's a line crossing event, it'll filter out events made by animals, by shadows, by random motion, and you won't be notified by it. But in the 2.0 version, we also have expanded that capability to work on motion detection. So when it sees motion in general, it will let you know whether it's a human or vehicle, or it will just Connect dock can also let you schedule these notifications. So you can turn them off, you can tell them what hours that you want them to respond, and straight through the app you can speak through the camera itself if you use the special SL model. If you have any questions, please reach out to your distributor or your local Hikvision team.